I'm in Agios Nikolaos and to show you the nightlife of Agios Nikolaos.
Thank you very much. Get yourself another drink. I will be back in 5-10 minutes. Cheers. I'll put some music on.
Okay, so this awesome dude is playing really crazy guitar and performing for everybody in Agios Nikolaos, and there is really fun going on. And from here we will move a little bit much closer to the center and to see what's going on there. I can go that way and I can go this way. So I'm gonna go this way because it seems more interesting to me. Fish Tavern, Pelagos. Fresh fish, seafood, traditional Cretan dishes. Okay, so this is a fish sea taverna. It has a garden, very green, nice, with olive trees and palm trees, and really nice build. And in Agios Nikolaos we have many cats. Okay, from here now I will go back to the street. And those who are living in Agios Nikolaos, they are like, yeah, we are free to party, we are free to play music. And the people from Ritimno and from Heraklion, they are kind of trying to make them jealous, because if they come here and they see what's going on, and if they see what's going on there, doesn't make any sense. But anyways, at least I'm lucky to be here to see this all. It's really fun. Not trying to, I will try to not get hit by a car. Agios Nikolaos. Okay, so I will give you a real quick introduction to the street. This is the gift shop. This is the traditional shop street of Agios Nikolaos. Here you will find many shops with Cretan products and with different products. And it's really busy, and it's being visited by locals and also foreigners.
It's my job. It's my job.
Here we have some really chic shops. Nice, nice. La Strada Cafe, all day restaurant, all day. Pizza and pasta, Mediterranean cuisine. Okay, so they have bunch of variety of foods. Okay, that's fun to see. They made that new in Agios Nikolaos. Can you see it? Can you see it from here? Can't see it. Okay, let me take a picture for the Instagram. Okay, so this is kind of the lake of Agios Nikolaos, and these are the very beautiful restaurants and caves where you can eat and you can sit and enjoy the rest of the view. Like also in that side there are restaurants and lights, but I will go down and I will walk around the, it's not lake, actually it's connected to the sea, so I don't know, I should call it a small port, like a fishing port. Limani. The colors are vibrant, the smell is amazing, and the whole vibe is breathtaking, but it's not visible enough to my small little GoPro. So if you are not if you are not getting satisfied with what you are seeing, it's because just this GoPro cannot capture all of what I can see with my eyes. But believe me, if you are coming to Agios Nikolaos at this time of the year, today it's 27th of August, and right now the time is 10:40, and it's going to be really a good time. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's very moderated weather, and lots of fun going on. This is where I hurt myself last year. I was bleeding. This machine was exactly here and I punched it and I was like hit the machine. Okay. This is Carangio restaurant. Carangio. Okay. So I had been here before, and as you can see right now it is completely full. It's because of the quality of the food. So if you are coming to Agios Nikolaos, I highly recommend this place. You are going to have fun. Even if you would stay in Iliunda, it's much more relaxing, calm to sleep and to walk around. But this, you can come here and you can spend time and you can have a good time here as well. So Agios Nikolaos is not just ending here. They're in the right side and much more east side of Agios Nikolaos. If you would walk very close behind these buildings, you will find some beaches and some places where you can hang out and you can eat some souvlaki food, stuff like that. So this was pretty much for Agios Nikolaos, and this is the nightlife. Everybody is out hanging around, eating food, talking, drinking. And tonight it is today it was Friday, and tomorrow it's going to be Saturday, so everything is pretty busy. Not just foreigners, tourists, locals, foreigners, tourists, everybody is around. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comment section. And until the next time, peace.